today. We have a 1.4 TSI Seat Leon FR in. We're doing a turbo back exhaust on it. We've already stripped the exhaust off of it, and we're also fitting a dump valve. So to fit the dump valve, it replaces the stock plastic piping that runs from the throttle body to the turbo. These have no intercooler as standard, so it's a straight replacement there. The new pipe has some outlets on it to allow for the dump valve. The other one will be blocked off. And then you have got an adapter which sits on the map sensor. And what that does is it allows me to give the dump valve its vacuum feed to allow it to open when you come off the throttle. So we're going to start fitting it all together.
Sweet. And this is having a stage 2 map. What would normally be required for stage 2?
So stage 2 is a full exhaust system, an air intake of some description, be it a cold fed air intake or an open air intake, and a front mount intercooler. Although this isn't having an intercooler, it is a stage 2 map that we can offer on this.
So basically for stage 2 you've got to get a decent amount of cold compressed air coming in.
Got to get as much air in as you can, as much air out as you can. That's the idea.
That's the basics of it.
Yeah.
So you're swapping out this spring.
Stronger spring, because obviously because we're remapping it, it'll have more boost.
So you should be able to withstand easy
The
pressure.
boost. Yes. It has to work well under pressure. And then we'll secure that and then start building the centre section and onto the rear.
What does the downpipe consist of? Is it
Many bends
many bends?
and holes for the landers. Finished. We've done the full turbo back exhaust system, the stage 2 map, the air intake and the dump valve. Now it's just time to hear it.